Hello everyone and welcome to the Victory Forge. In this video I'm going to show you how I cross-stitched this second Lord of the Rings bookmark featuring everyone's favorite purveyor of fireworks. One of the handiest things that came in this kit was a needle threader that has saved me countless headaches so far, only 2/5 of the way through my journey. During this second of 5 bookmarks, I decided that I would time myself in the overall making of the bookmark. The pictures you are seeing are approximately 10 to 15 minutes apart, alongside a real-time video of me actually working on the bookmark. Out of the 5 bookmarks that came in this kit, 5 being the most difficult and obviously the doors to Moria, I would say this one was 3. I think the 2 I've done so far were both of a medium difficulty, but I think the closer up one of Bag End was more difficult just because it had a lot more and a variety of colors in its line work. Let me know what you think of the 5 bookmarks and my progress so far in the comments below. I decided to make these bookmarks in a chronological storytelling fashion. So far, there were some hobbits minding their own business, but along came a wizard. The way I chose to do this bookmark was to start from the darkest colors and work my way to the lightest, and at the same time trying to do the biggest blocks of the same color so I could save the most frustrating parts with individual stitches scattered all over the entire bookmark for last. When I first started working on this bookmark, I didn't remember how long it had taken me to do the Bag End bookmark, but I was figuring that this one would probably take me anywhere from 10 to 12 hours, maybe 15 hours at most. All told, I spent a total of 23 hours and 51 minutes just in the cross-stitching portion of this bookmark. Well over my original guesstimation, and we're not done yet. I probably took another half hour to 45 minutes to do all of the finishing touches after I finished the bookmark, which we're going to see next. After finishing all of the cross-stitching and line work, I carefully cut the bookmark out of its pattern. Then I ironed it flat, front and back, before tracing it onto the leather that I'm going to use as the backing instead of the pre-supplied felt. I also decided that I wanted to make a bookmark tassel for this one. I had found a pretty straightforward set of instructions and it was way easier to do than I originally thought, which probably means I did it wrong, but I think it turned out pretty decent for a first attempt. With all of that done, I can set some heavy weight on it so it dries flat. Once it's dry, we can move on to the glamour shots. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, please feel free to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, and we'll see you next time on The Victory Forge.